Good morning and hello from Halo. This is Sam speaking. Today we'll be walking through a cleanup of our heat presses. This should be performed before using the heat press at any time. Products we'll be using: simply Windex and a rag. Ideally, the press should be off before cleaning, even unplugged. To begin, spray your rag with some Windex and give a cursory wipe down of the main surfaces. Once the main surfaces have been wiped down sufficiently, you'll next want to pay attention to these places here, these columns. This is the mechanism that helps lift the platen, and we want to make sure that it moves without impediment. What you're going to want to do is unclamp so that you have access to these areas here. Spray your rag, give it a good wipe down. You'll see a lot of debris come up. This is a high mobility area, and so it's important that this area is cleaned. Once the top part of a bar has been sufficiently wiped down, we're going to clamp it down, which gives us access to the next piece of these bars. Go ahead and wipe down in the same manner. For the DK20 model of heat press, these hydraulic bars here are what's important to wipe down. Repeat the same step as described before. Cleaning in this way will help your presses be far more mobile and clamp down correctly the first time. Thank you for watching.